Hello my YouTube friends, welcome to the second video in a three-part video series about handmade winter holiday gifts. In the past video I showed you how to make these gigantic candies filled with regular chocolate candies. Today I will show you how to make these sledges full of sweet treats. This is some of the materials I will be using to create this easy but very unique project. So first I will wrap a piece of cardboard with metallic crepe paper, and this is Italian crepe paper. I will be also using peppermint canes, and you can now attach the sticks or canes to this cardboard using either double-sided tape or a hot glue gun. So the downside should look like this now, and this is the surface where I will locate or place all my sweets. Sledges are ready, so we can now load them with sweet treats. These are the sweets that I will be loading on my sledges. I advise to verify what types of sweets a person that you are doing this gift for likes. For example, the person that I am doing this gift for likes milk chocolate. So all my sweets contain milk chocolate. Let's now put all my sweets on this sledge. So the sweets are already on sledges, and now I need to fasten my sweets so they don't move and don't fall down from the sledge. And I will be using this ribbon to go from top to down and then on the sides. This is how I secure my sweets, and I went over this side 2 times and make a bow. And I don't worry about the bow because it will be covered with other decorations. I chose these decorations. I decided not to go too fancy, some simple balls, and other items will do the trick. First I will attach or hot glue the balls. To conceal this space between the balls, I will attach another decoration. And my gift is done. So it's a very fast, easy way to do a handmade gift with your own hands. And of course you can use your creativity and choose the colors, the sweets of your choice. Join me for the third video where I show you another stunning, absolutely beautiful handmade gift. Happy holidays!